Ndewonu Igbo ndị ọma ndị ikem kedu kunu mere? Hello my amazing Igbo language learners, how are you all doing? So our Igbo word for today, okwu Igbo nke taa bụ Chacha. Chacha. Chacha n'asụsụ Bekee pụtara at all. Chacha in English means at all. Now, mind you, this way of saying at all in Igbo language is our focus for this particular video. There are several other ways of saying cha-cha, just one or two or three ways of saying cha-cha or at all in Igbo language, which I'm not going to be going in because our focus here is just cha-cha. So, for an example, n'ime atụ nke mbụ, you can say, enweghị m ego, cha-cha. I don't have money at all. Enweghị m ego, cha-cha. I don't have money at all. Nke abụọ, now try to make example or a sentence with the word cha-cha and put it in the comment section. Let me hear from you. I know you've learned something in this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and like. See you tomorrow. Kemesia.